The Commonwealth will prove that there was an unkindly feeling between the prisoner and her stepmother. That upon Wednesday, August 3rd, she was dwelling upon murder and preparing herself with a weapon which had no innocent use. That upon the evening of Wednesday, August 3rd, she was predicting disaster and cataloging defenses. That from the time when Mrs. Borden left the dining room to go upstairs for this momentary errand, up to the time when the prisoner came downstairs an hour later from this hallway which led only to her chamber, and that in which Mrs. Borden was found, there was no other human being except the prisoner at the bar present. That these facts were the acts of a human being, that they were the acts of a person, to have selected time and place, as it was selected in this case, must have had a familiar knowledge of the interior of the premises and of the whereabouts and the habits of those who were in occupation of them at that time. We shall prove that this prisoner made contradictory statements about her whereabouts, and above all, gave a statement vitally different upon the manner in which she discovered these homicides. We shall prove beyond all reasonable doubt that the death of Mrs. Borden was a prior death. Then we shall ask you to say, if you can say, whether any reasonable hypothesis except guilt of this prisoner can account for the sad occurrences which happened upon the morning of August 4th, 1892.